Hi everyone, my name is Shaifaly. Today I want to share a powerful insight I got from a recent workshop by Mitesh Khatri on Manifest-Vid Chakra healing. It is about how we often hold on to pain and how that holding on impacts us more than we realize. Hi, I am Shaifaly Sangal, a mother, a life coach, healer, author, and a meditation guide. Drawing from my experiences and those of my clients, I am here to help you grow, heal, and unlock your true potential. Subscribe now for inspiration and transformation. Many times, we are not ready to let go. We either can't release or rather don't want to. There is a strange loop. Thinking about that pain gives us some kind of pleasure, maybe nostalgia, bitterness, or validation. Because we haven't fully accepted it, it stays alive. The moment we think of it, we feel restless and uncomfortable. The resistance is what makes the pain heavier. In the workshop, Mitesh asked us to become comfortable with the pain. He says, "Tell, I love you pain. For example, I love that the other person doesn't like me. I respect that they don't talk to me. Maybe I love that they cheated me." It sounds extreme. It sounds even strange. But the point is, when you accept rather than resist, your energy shifts. And yes, initially it will hurt to say these things. But there's the magic there. A shift in vibration. You start feeling lighter. You begin to smile from inside. And a smile changes everything. If this sounds silly, that's okay. The true test is to experiment and do it now, even silently. Find a quick moment. Close your eyes. Bring the memory, the emotion. Speak to yourself. I love you, pain. I accept you. Say, I respect that you acted this way. And just don't force. Just let the words sink. Notice how your chest, your breath, your mind responds. Be curious. Hold space. Holding on to pain doesn't protect you, but it weighs you down. But when you learn into it with love, leave, acceptance, a willingness to feel, you transform. I am grateful to Mitesh Khatri for guiding us in this Manifest-Vid Chakra healing workshop. If you tried this even once, comment below what you experienced. Thank you for being there.